wanna be strong, don't wanna prove I belong. No goals to chase, no lines to cross, no fear of gain, no fear of loss. If the world keeps asking me to be more than I can be, today I don't wanna do anything, and that's enough for me. Let me stay here just a while, no fixing, no fake smile, just quiet breathing, soft and slow, letting the pressure go. Outside people pass me by, living fast, living loud. I don't envy them tonight. I like this calm, I like this cloud. I'm not broken, I'm just tired of always being wired, of turning pain into a plan, of always needing to understand. Maybe tomorrow I'll run again, chase the light, make amends. Maybe I'll care, maybe I'll try, but today I don't ask myself why. I give myself this small retreat, no